Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars for parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair Guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the windshield washer pump fuses relays are located on Mercedes C-Class generation W205. There is very limited information about that. It's actually hidden. We'll talk about that. We'll share information about hidden fuse boxes that can potentially, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us, we'll talk about that. If you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we will share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see, guys, where we get all our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. Electronics, engines, computers, transmissions. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the garage here is to save you as much money as we can, guys. All we need in return, please, guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. The windshield washer pump, fuses, relays, where you can expect to find them. Let's, guys, demonstrate on that Mercedes C-Class right here, that generation. Quick advice from us, 9 out of 10 owners will not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in it. And you have 6-7 of them, some don't even look like fuse boxes. That's why, guys, we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes W205 fuse box location and diagram. We need to come and open the hood now, guys, here. Well, yeah, first we'll start with that. We'll be working multiple fuse boxes. The fuse box that we need is on the driver's side. Here you see that trim piece needs to be removed. You have one turning knob here. Turn it counterclockwise 90 degrees. You have one in the back, lift it up. Underneath you kind of like see that white fuse box with a black cover. It's right underneath it. When you remove the black cover, you just have two bolts holding the black cover with Torx 22. Remove it, you have the engine fuse box with a layout like this one here, specifically here. Okay, before we continue, guys, let's explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So, guys, let us tell you something really quick, guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays. And if you want to see how to do that, guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. So, guys, okay, you wonder where, okay, the fuse is located. You may or may not have that one. We'll talk what you need to check. If you don't, make sure to stay until the end. But the first fuse that you need to check is fuse 109, right here. If you have it, some models will, some will not. That's the one you will need to check. The relay is known as relay M, guys. Relay M, under that cover here, you have two relays, K and M, little bitty relays integrated there. So that will be the relay right here. Now, guys, if you don't have the fuse, actually the function is part of the front SAM module. And you need to check the front SAM module fuses, relays, where they're located. You need to open the driver's side on the side of the dash. Here, open, pry that cover open, and you have that fuse box layout there. Specifically here, guys, okay, we will we will need to check, guys, fuse 200 and 201. These two fuses are for the front SAM module. Next, you need to come to the passenger side. Open the passenger side fuse box on the A pillar. Right here, guys, okay, you will have a cover in the footwell compartment. Open it and you have that layout there. Specifically here, we need to check, guys, okay, fuse MF3 and MF3, guys, we're talking about that fuse. It's 6 fuses integrated in one. Remove it, one of those. will have that function as well, so test all of them to make sure everything, guys, okay, everything checks out fine. Under the hood, guys, you have one more fuse for the front SAM module, and that's fuse 125 that you need to check right here. If you still have problems with the windshield washer pump not working, it could be a bad pump. We'll have a video how to rebuild one, how to replace one on a car, but it could be problems with the SAM module, okay, or headlight or windshield wiper switch causing it not to work too, guys. We've seen that happen multiple times. If you let it freeze in the winter with water, that could be your problem too. Guys, quick advice. Now, that generation Mercedes, it has all kinds of different fuses and relays. I want to show you some of them. Those are super special ones as well, guys. And those pre-fuse boxes as well. Check it out. You will have a great variety of fuses, relays. So, by the way, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, we'll recommend to keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below so you can see where you can get them from, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.